Yo, copywriters, who's ready to get some clients and make some damn money? Well, if that's you, then I have something very important to you here today. Probably the most important thing you'll watch all month, because today I'm going to be revealing the step-by-step six-figure portfolio builder. This is not only a guide, this is not only a lesson, this is also all of the tools given to you on a silver platter so that you can make your portfolio and you can get clients. Now, here's the thing. Most copywriters hyper-focus on the outreach strategy, the outreach messaging. Well, let's say your outreach does work and they're like, yeah, sure, man, let me see some samples. Let me learn a little bit more about you. And you have their interest. You can literally fumble at the 1 yard line if you don't have a half decent portfolio. But what I'm about to show you here is going to be the ultimate portfolio builder. It's unlike anything you've ever seen before, because when most people bring up a portfolio, they're like, oh yeah, I have some emails in there. I have some copy in there. Maybe they have a couple different types of copy in there, but they don't have what I'm about to show you. Let me just go through the slides because I'm getting ahead of myself. So inside, we're going to go over a few things. 5 elements to create a winning portfolio, how to make a portfolio look professional, what clients are actually looking for. A lot of people really miss this out. Also, side note, you do not need any experience. I'm going to show you how to actually build a fire portfolio without any experience. Big misconception. You can be on day one and still create a killer portfolio, and I'll show you how. Breakdown of implementing this guide effectively, how you can essentially build your amazing portfolio in less than a whole day, and much more. So follow each section carefully and you'll be working with your dream clients in literally no time. So what you're gonna also wanna do is share this video or share this document here with everybody else. Make sure you spread the love. Other copywriters are definitely going to want to see this. So introduction to your moneymaker. Here's the thing, if your portfolio doesn't make clients say, I need to hire this person, you're leaving thousands of dollars on the table every single month. Portfolios have gotten me and lost me multiple copywriting deals, and I have multiple examples of that as well. Now, I also want to show here that, of course, I know that this stuff works, not just because I've used it, but because my students are using it too. For example, one of them hit their first 10K month, and also these are just in the last couple of weeks. One of my students hit their first 10K month. Another student quit his 9 to 5 with copywriting, and now he's a full-time copywriter. Doesn't have to go to work anymore. Amazing, can work from home. Another copywriter that quit his 9 to 5, full-time copywriting. Another copywriter had hit over 10K per month in his 4th month. That's right, another one. We have multiple 10K per month copywriters just in the last month. Another one made over 21K so far, and a whole bunch of other wins that you can pause the video, look at the document yourself, and check out. But you get the point, okay? There's no need to beat a dead horse. People out here are making money, and the reason why they're making money is because they're building their social credibility with the portfolio that I'm about to show you. So let me hit you with a truth bomb. Can I see your portfolio is one of the first questions that potential clients are going to ask you. And this is a sentence you're going to hear a lot. Pretty much every time anybody even considers to work with you, it's like taking a car for a test drive. You're not going to drive a car without ever seeing it or ever testing it out, or even ever looking at it. Imagine you just have the stats of the car and you don't actually even look at it, see it, test drive it, check it out, ask any questions about it, you just get it. The reason why people wouldn't do that is because it's a huge commitment and they haven't had any proof that what they're getting is actually worth it and is what they say it is, which is what a portfolio does. See, 99% of portfolios feature weak or bland samples. They're cluttered folder, and also no instructions to show the reader what to do next or why you're doing what you're doing. But the top 1% of portfolios do these 3 things. They build authority and showcase your wide range of skill sets to the prospect. It's easily to navigate and laid out clearly for effortless viewing, and also features a closing CTA so the prospect knows exactly what to actually do next. So is this guide for you? If you're looking for ways to shortcut your way to get clients, make money, this is not for you. But if you're a new copywriter, even if you have no experience, this will be for you. If you're a copy tourist who isn't really serious about making money, again, not for you. If you're currently struggling to land high-paying clients, this is the best thing that you can do right now. If you're not willing to put in the work to stand out, then this is not for you. And of course, you're an experienced copywriter looking to make more money, this is also for you. So if you want to make fortune with this guide, you have to follow these steps to the letter. 1, read through each section carefully and completely. Implement the templates and frameworks to accelerate your skills. Start outreaching with your new portfolio as soon as possible to actually put it to the test. Now, taking action is essential, and these steps can be completed in less than a single day. So let's go over the fundamentals. So there are 2 types of portfolios that you really need to understand. And a lot of people only consider the first one, But there are actually two. One is a client work portfolio, which essentially is copy that you've written for your clients. And one is a practice portfolio, meaning one where you don't have any clients or you haven't written for these clients, but you're still showcasing that you can write amazing copy that will potentially make people money. Now, this is why if you don't have any past experience, not only is it okay to make a portfolio, but it is even more necessary to make a portfolio if you want to get clients. If someone comes to me and they're like, Tyson, I'm having trouble getting clients, and I ask them where the portfolio is, and they said I haven't made one, I'm like, well, what's the point? What are you even doing? So what are clients actually looking for? One, brand voice mastery. They want to know that you can write for them and that will sound like them. Clarity over cleverness. They want to understand your reading if they're just skimming through it. If there's like these in-depth metaphors and things, they're just not going to want to read it. And also they're going to be confused. Next are engagement factors. They want fresh angles, storytelling, and pacing. They want all of these things. I've outreached to multiple businesses actually. I have a few screenshots here. But guys who I sent them my portfolio and they said, oh, well, it needs more stories or they need more of this. They actually gave me critique on how to make it even better. So if you already have all of these things, then you're going to be much more likely to get hired. And of course, niche understanding. You want to show them that you understand the whole niche that they're in. So if they're a finance business, you want to make them understand that you know exactly how finance businesses tick. So look, I got a lot more in this document. It is a very in-depth document, so I'm not going to read it out word for word. Again, if you want this, it's completely free. It's down below in the description in the free copy starter kit. What it looks like is you are going to be led to this page here. This is the school community, and all you need to do is go over to the 40 tools, templates, and resources, and it will be in there along with all of these other amazing resources. So that's exactly where you can find it. On top of that, I also have other tools and things that you can go check out. For example, this is the example cover letter that you can actually use. Dude, how many copywriters out here not only have a portfolio, but also a cover letter for their portfolio that gives them everything that the client is going to want to see just in one page. Another example portfolio over here. Also, you get access to all of these templates that you can pick and choose what you want to use them for. So these look much better than a document, which I'm about to show you here. And you can actually just download all of these for yourself. And also I have an example portfolio here. Now I'm going to go through more principles before I go in depth on those examples, but I just wanted to show you what you're actually getting when you get the free copy starter kit and get down all of the resources that go along with this video. So moving on, this is actually a great example of me outreaching to somebody and my portfolio actually doing the heavy lifting for me. So for example, they said, hi Tyson, great to meet you. Would love to see some samples. So I sent over some samples. And then they said, hey, question, do you have a portfolio you could send? And second, do you write other types of copy besides email? So when they wanted to see some email samples, I sent them like basically a mini portfolio with like 3 emails in it. Here's some of my writing. Then they basically said they wanted to see more, and they literally asked to see word for word. They asked to see my portfolio. Now this was an awesome deal. This was 8 emails for $2K. And it was my first big one. It was my first real big deal. And I was like, yo, this is real bill paying money. This is not that like $200 or $300 for like a funnel build. So needless to say, I was like super excited. And my portfolio is really what got me and landed me that deal. Because my portfolio, if it sucked, obviously they would not be working for me. But since they liked it, they decided to give me a chance. And that's really all you need. All you need is a chance, something to get your foot in the door, and your life will never be the same. Moving on. The action steps here. 1, decide on your target niches for your portfolio. So who are you going to be outreaching to, and how will that reflect in your portfolio? Next is to list the types of copy that you're going to create. Find 3 to 5 brands in your target niche, study their voice and style so you can actually write like them and sound like them. Create a folder structure for organizing your portfolio pieces. Now, there's a couple ways you can do this. I'm going to go over in the more specific details later on, but you can create this in a document style, just like I have here. Just one document where you can go in and it shows you the links for everything, and also shows you some results that you've gotten to in the past. And also you can use something like this, which is just a Google Drive folder with multiple things in it. Over here I have emails, over here I have sales pages. So there's multiple different ways to do this. I even have more different ways to do this as well. But either in any way, you just want it to be organized. You're going to want it to be concise. And of course, you want the copy inside to be great. Those are the main things that you're going to need. Next is you want to bookmark free design tools like Canva for presenting your work. When you have not only a nicely written portfolio, but it also has all the bells and whistles. It looks good. It looks like you put actual effort into it. That conveys, I put effort and take pride in my work. Businesses are going to see that. And even if your copy isn't 100% up to par, amazing, just the fact that you're putting in so much effort will go a long way. Now, look, as you can see, we have a lot more here. I'm not going to go over how to actually write an email. I have a bunch more resources, and I link to different resources in this resource. So long story short, you have everything that you need. I'm not going to belabor the point and read every single thing here, but just understand that if you want to learn in depth, which I'm assuming that you do since you want to make money, then I suggest that you go through this document on yourself and really just look through it in detail. So next is the professional cover letter system. This is big. A lot of people don't have this, and having this, again, it puts you above everyone else who's outreaching, who just wants a quick client and some quick cash. So check this out. I'm just going to show you what the cover letter looks like. These are what example cover letters look like, and you can use them to, just like I said, create a one-pager on who you are, how people can contact you, the skills, what you do, who you've worked with, and just a little bit about you. Really perfect. You could just come into this Canva template. Again, this is for free in the free copy starter kit. And then you can change up everything and download it and then use it however you'd like. Put it on the top of your portfolio, put it somewhere in your portfolio, and just use it as just an extra piece of credibility, especially if you work with some awesome clients. So for example, this is like an example right here as well. So more of like an in-depth up close one. As you can see, the person's picture, their name, who they've worked with, etc. So your action steps here, of course, is you're going to want to actually make a cover letter to go along with your portfolio. Now, if you want to make the best emails and the best copy in your portfolio, I highly recommend you go to the Discord or you go to the school communities, because in those communities, people are going to be asking to review your copy. They want to review your copy. They want to share your copy, for example, review for review, drop your best copy you've written till now. Also drop a like, because other people essentially want to be part of the community. They send their emails in, you send your emails in, everybody gets eyes on an email. And it's really great to have somebody else there to check your blind spots, to make sure that your emails are the best possible so that you can get more clients, you can write better copy, get a better portfolio, make more money. That's basically it. And next, we're moving on to presentation. I'll keep this one nice and short, but long story condensed. You do not need to be some professional graphic designer to make your portfolio look good. It's really, really simple. There's a couple ways you can do it, like I said. So this one over here is a Google Doc / folder. You put everything into a folder / Google Doc. Very, very simple. On top of that, you can also create a simple website. Now, I can't stress enough, do not spend too much time on this website. I've seen people literally work on their website for 3 months before they even start outreaching. It's like my friend. It's really not that deep, okay? So don't do that. Don't do that. It's okay to have a website, but you want to make it quick and dirty to a point. You don't want it literally dirty, messy, terrible. But at the end of the day, you sitting there trying to pick out which font is best for 3 days straight is not going to get you any extra clients. So don't get stuck in productive procrastination. Now, on top of that, I want to also show you something that a lot of people don't know is you can create a free website actually with Canva. You can go on Canva and complete these steps right here, just publish the website. And now people can actually go on and check out your portfolio and some of your other links so that they can learn more about you. So this is a great way where you can, again, with no skills, just drag and drop. If you can use something like Instagram or YouTube, which you're already on, then you are smart enough to just use Canva and create yourself a graphically appealing portfolio as well. Now, on top of that, I have to explain the Loom video advantage, because creating videos that actually explain yourself in your portfolio is another one of those things, kind of like the cover letter, that just puts you in a completely different category. Nobody else is going to have this. So you actually getting in front of the computer, getting in front of the camera and introducing yourself and telling a little bit more about yourself, the results you've gotten and the skills that you have is going to go a long way. Now, this can just be short, something 3 to 5 minutes, but again, it makes a huge difference. And you know what else makes a gigantic difference is actually documenting your results and showcasing your results. But the problem is that a lot of people think that a testimonial is just somebody saying, man, I've worked with this guy and he's the man, he's super cool. But a testimonial can actually be so much more than that. A testimonial could be your client just texting you saying, oh man, the last emails you did were great. And it wasn't actually meant to be a testimonial. It's not a written testimonial, but it does work as social proof. Another type of social proof you can use is the actual results that you're getting. So for example, a 37% conversion rate, or you got this many sales from email, you can actually just go into the software, take a screenshot of it, and then put it into your portfolio, kind of like I did right here. Screenshots right here, and also a picture, a photo of someone else just saying, hey man, the emails were very well written. And this goes, again, a long way to show and separate you from other beginners and copywriters who, of course, want this exact same client. You will be outreach. So look, I'll leave it at this. I have this complete resource that will take you through step by step and how you can actually get all of this done within just one day. If you want it, again, that's down below in the free copy starter kit. It also comes with all of these resources, like your cover letter, for example, and then also some Canva templates and some examples too. So you're definitely gonna wanna download that and just use it to your advantage because, again, this is what's going to separate you from everyone else. And this is what's gonna help you go past the credibility threshold. Whereas you are now a credible copywriter, which is so much easier to get clients than a copywriter who's just beginning, starting out, not even a portfolio, not even a collection of samples. So actually take action, do all the steps that I show you here, and getting clients will simply never be easier. That's it for today. And of course, I'll see you guys on the next one.